I'm going to show you how to access and use Google Docs today. So to find our Google Apps, you come up to the checkerboard and you click it and then come down and find the app Docs. Google Docs is very similar to Word. They have lots of templates up here, as you can see. So if you're looking for something specific to create, it might be easy to just grab a template. I'm just going to start by showing you how to use just a blank document. So first, you can start by in the upper left-hand corner giving your document a title. Everything in Google automatically saves, and so this is what it's going to save under. So we're going to say Google example. Okay, and then you can see right here it says saving, all changes saved in Drive, so you can see it's automatically saving everything that I do. Up here you can see that it's really similar to the same features that Word has. Here's where all your fonts are. There's tons and tons and tons. You can also go to more fonts if there's one that you specifically are looking for. You go through and, okay, I really wanted this one. So I click on it and it is added to my fonts. And then I go, okay. You can also delete them by just clicking on them. Okay, and then right next to that is font size. Same thing, you can select a preset font size or you can type it in. There's all your bold, italic, underline. Here's your different text colors. If you're wanting to highlight the text, you'll click highlight. Then you can also insert a link. So if you have something typed here like, and you want to insert a link, you can either highlight it and it'll use that text, and then you can insert your link that you want to link there, or you can find something out there on the web that's already exists. Okay, here are your different alignments if you want to align it center or to the right, all of those things. Your spacing, and so most formats should be double spaced. Here's how you use bullets. It's all very similar to Word. So I'm going to just start typing. Okay, so you can see it's automatically saving. I love that. But let's say that I accidentally delete my last sentence. I'm totally bummed. I really liked that sentence. So I can come up to all changes saved in Drive, and it takes me to a different screen and it will show me my revision history. And so you can see this is like my final draft, but if I come down here, show more detailed revisions, it will show me, oh, I deleted that here. Well, I want to go back to this revision where I still have my second sentence. So I'm going to restore this revision. You can also, just go into incredible detail to see all the different revisions that you've made. But I'm going to restore this revision and it takes me back to my original screen. Okay, there are lots of different features that you can use. You can insert images, tables, page numbers. It's very similar to Word. You're going to absolutely love it. You can use a word count feature if you're having to stay under a certain number of words. It also show you characters. I know a lot of the grants I work on that they are by characters and not by words, so that's important. Another feature that I really love is download as. So in case you have to submit something or share something as a Word document, someone doesn't have a Google account, you can download this as a Word document, you can also download as a PDF if you don't want people to be able to edit it. So if you're creating something that you want to upload somewhere. So there are also lots of different ways you can upload, but those are the main two that I use. Make a copy is also a really cool feature. So if you're wanting to make a duplicate of something but keep your original, you can click make a copy and give it a new name, and it will have an actual duplicate, so you can not change your original but have a new copy of it. But that's pretty much it for the Google Doc features. Oh, one really important, or actually two, is the comment features. I love that teachers are using Google Docs with their students. So say that I'm a teacher and my student has shared their assignment with me, and man, this really should have been hi instead of hello. So I can come over and I can comment. So on the top right hand corner, I'm going to click comment. So instead of changing their text, I'm going to say you should So now I've given my student feedback, and they can come in and interact with me in the text. And so they can see that either they haven't used correct punctuation mark, or, instead of having to go and read and hand write all your notes, it's easier to just sit here and type, and they can have that instantaneous feedback, so they can log in right after you graded it and look what you have given back to them as far as comments. And another feature that if you are creating something is to share it. So if you want to collaborate with others, this is really important. So if you want to share it with specific people, you can type in their email address, but you can also go down here to advanced and you can change the access. So say that I just want to share out my URL. So I usually like to say on anyone in Macalester Public Schools. So in case someone shares my link, it can go as far as it needs to go. So this is the different access to that document. So can view is they can just look at it. They can't edit it in any way. Can comment is they can comment how I showed you how you can do. So if you are working on something and you really want to approve editing before it happens, they can add that editing as a comment first. Or you can edit, so that means that they can collaborate in that. And that's usually what I do, but it totally depends on the assignment, the whatever you're working on. So here is a link to share. So say that I need to send this out as an email to my colleagues. I can just highlight it and copy and paste it in my email. Or if I'm sending it to specific people, I can write in their email address. But usually I'm sending it out to a lot of people, so I want to just copy the link and put it in an actual email to send to them. Okay, and that's how you share a document. I hope you guys learned a lot today. Thanks.